Snowboard pressure cookers are a niche category of cookware designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and hobbyists who value portability, durability, and performance. Whether you're cooking in the wilderness or adding flair to your kitchen appliances, these products offer unique features that cater to specific needs. Product number 1. CS600 Punk Cooker. The Snow Peak CS600 Punk Cooker is a premium cookware option designed for outdoor enthusiasts who demand versatility and durability. Featuring a foldable design, aluminum body with fluorine resin processing, and a ceramic baked coating, this model is built to withstand rugged conditions. Its deep and shallow pots offer capacities of 4.6 liters and 2.8 liters respectively, making it suitable for cooking large meals. Though it is not dishwasher or oven safe, its lightweight construction, 8.75 pounds, and compact storage size make it ideal for camping trips. In terms of performance, the CS600 excels in heat distribution thanks to its aluminum body and ceramic coating. The foldable handle adds convenience for storage, while the sturdy stainless steel components ensure durability over time. However, its lack of dishwasher compatibility may pose a challenge for users seeking easy cleanup. Customer reviews highlight its reliability in outdoor settings, but some users noted that its weight could be cumbersome for backpacking. Overall, this product is best suited for users who prioritize cooking capacity and rugged design over portability. Product number 2. CS501R Koridachi Pot. The Snow Peak CS501R Koridachi Pot is a compact and stylish cookware option designed for smaller meals and individual use. Made from ductile cast iron with a silicone heat-resistant coating, this pot offers excellent heat retention and durability. Its compact dimensions, 6.4 by 5.1 by 3.5 inches, and lightweight design, 3.08 pounds, make it easy to transport, while its oven-safe lid adds versatility for indoor cooking. With a total capacity of 16.1 fluid ounces for the pot and 7.8 fluid ounces for the lid, it's ideal for single servings or side dishes. Performance-wise, the CS501R delivers consistent heat distribution, making it suitable for slow cooking and simmering. Its silicone coating ensures easy handling even when heated, and the compact size is perfect for small stoves or portable setups. However, users should note that the pot is not dishwasher safe, which may require additional effort for cleaning. Customer reviews praise its durability and aesthetic appeal, but some users mentioned that the limited capacity might not suffice for larger meals. This product is best for solo campers or users looking for a compact, versatile pot. Product number 3. Custom Sang Personalized Decal Vinyl Sticker Instant Pot Crock Pressure Cooker Funny Matriarch. This customizable vinyl decal by Handmade is a budget-friendly option designed to add personality and flair to pressure cookers. Measuring 5.5 by 6 inches, this decal is made in the USA and crafted at the time of order to ensure quality. The customization feature allows users to create unique designs, making it a great choice for personalizing kitchen appliances or outdoor gear. Application instructions are included, simplifying the installation process. While the decal does not improve cooking performance, it offers a fun and creative way to enhance the appearance of pressure cookers or other smooth surfaces. Its durable vinyl material ensures resistance to sun, rain, and snow, making it suitable for outdoor use. However, its functionality is limited to aesthetic purposes, and users must carefully apply the decal to avoid air bubbles. Overall, this product is ideal for users seeking affordable customization options for their cookware. Product number 4. Funny Addicted to Pot Instant Pot Decal Sticker Crock Pressure Cooker. The Funny Addicted to Pot decal by Handmade is another budget-friendly option designed to add humor and personality to pressure cookers and other surfaces. Measuring 4 by 6 inches, this decal is made from marine-grade vinyl that is resistant to sun, rain, snow, and sleet. Its die-cut design ensures a professional finish, while application instructions make installation straightforward. Custom sizes are available upon request, adding flexibility for various use cases. Like the previous decal, this product focuses on aesthetics rather than functionality. The marine-grade vinyl material guarantees durability, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Users have praised its humorous design and ease of application, though some noted that the smaller dimensions may limit its visual impact. This decal is best for users looking to add a touch of humor to their cookware or outdoor gear without breaking the bank.